Hello you guys, it's Friday and here's our math. We're going to be doing Unit 5, Lesson 14. This is something a little new, so I'm going to get you started and kind of guide you through maybe one or two, and then you will complete the rest on your own, okay? So let's just go over what they did on number 1. So the first step they did, on the first row, they count how many total shapes there are. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then they wrote their 6 on the line. The next problem you're going to do is they said how many were there. So there were 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write our 4 plus how many do you need to draw? 2. So 4 plus 2 makes 6. So they also say to match them, which I think could get a little confusing. So I'm not too worried about matching them as I am for you to count how many. Tell me how many are already there plus how many you need to draw. Okay, so let's go through the first one, this next one together. So how many circles are on top? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write a 5 on the line. Next, we say how many are already there. So there are already 2 there. And we need to add some more to get to 5. How many more do we need to add? Let's draw them so that they match up. 1, 2, 3. And this is actually where it might be helpful to draw the lines to match them so that you know that you have a match for each circle that was on top. And I can see I don't have any extra circles that I drew, so we're there. Plus 3. Because I drew 3. Okay? Let's do the next one together. And then I'll let you do the last 2 on your own. So count how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're doing a partner for 7. Just like we did a partner for 5, we did a partner for 6. We say how many triangles are already there. There are 3 of them. Plus how many do I need to draw? Well, let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm just going to double check and make sure each shape has a match by drawing a line and matching them. And each triangle on the top is partnered with one on the bottom now. Okay? So hopefully that makes sense. You're going to go ahead and move on to this. You can make these as squares and then triangles again. Okay? Then on the back page, you are going to simply write your numbers 1 through 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Last thing you're going to do is you're going to draw tiny tumblers on the math mountains to make the partners. So you're doing some partners for 7, you're doing some partners for 8, and you're doing some partners for 9. Remember that when you're making the tiny tumblers, well, number 1, not too small, not too big, but you're kind of thinking about, okay, there's 6 tiny tumblers on this side, and there's 1 on this side, so 6 plus 1 equals 7. Okay, again, if you have 5 tiny tumblers on this side, plus 2 on this side, 5 plus 2 makes 7, so it's a partner. Okay. And then you can do the check for understanding. It says if one partner of 8 is 2, what is the other partner? So you have to find what number, if you add 2 plus what to get to 8. Okay, so 2 plus what is going to make 8? The answer goes in the box. Okay, then the second worksheet that you're going to do is simply your fluency check. Number 5. So fluency check 5, you're adding on the top, subtracting on the bottom, and again, adding on the top, subtracting on the bottom. Okay, but really trying to make sure you're looking at those symbols. Okay, good luck with today's math.